What's up, One Cool Nation? Today is Saturday. Got some box opening time. Let me go in the light. And it came in. I got the AC compressor for the Veloster. And also I got the dial switch for the Veloster. So those are what I think's in the box right there. And also, I got the pool liner. Man, that thing is so heavy. One Cool Mike may have to get assistance to help me do that for the pool. So if anybody want to help, maybe next week, because it's raining right now. Leave a shout out, and I can teach you how to put your own pool liner in. But that's the pool liner right there. Got 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. Man, it's a lot of work, man. That's why I was disappointed. See the pool right there? And that sucker is big. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm trying to do a box opening time right here. So let's see what's in the boxes, and I'll get back to you in 2. Okay, let's open it. Let's use the blade. And let's see what's in the box. Oh man. All right, nothing special. This is the AC compressor. Mine stopped spinning, and that's why the AC is not running. This is an OEM one, original one. I got this on eBay. So you don't hear the clicking, so you know it's probably good. So that's 1 box. And like I said, that's the AC compressor. Box opening number 2. Let's see what this baby's all about. Okay, this is the climate control that goes with the car right here. My knob stopped spinning, and I always said I was going to replace it, but I never did. So now that I got the opportunity to replace it, I'm going to replace it. So I'm going to install this one in today, so you will see a editorial video on that, or you'll see me how to do it. And so this is the climate control. Came in some nice bubble wrap, and I also got this on eBay. The dealership wanted for this $275, and I got it on eBay for $67. I want y'all to be cool like me. Look around, shop around. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got money like that, and maybe you do got money like that, but I don't. So that's why they call me One Cool Mike. So I'm gonna install this. And this And this is the pool liner. I don't want to use the blade on that. I don't want to cut it. So I was opening it with my hands gently. I don't know if you can tell, you can see it. It is blue. And like I said, it's a lot of work. Also, I wanted to show you what I did yesterday with the One Cool Mike sign. And it came out pretty good while I was driving on the road. I already got 5 new subscribers when they gave me thumbs up when I was driving. The One Cool Mike sign. So I'm going to finish this video later. I'm going to try to win some money on the Belmont Stakes. And if I advise y'all, there's one horse that I think that will win, and that was, how you say it? I believe it was Modangi or Modangul. Don't sleep on him. I know all y'all want to go with Strike It Rich. I wish I would have betted Strike It Rich last time. Well, which I did. I almost came close. I had 21, 3, and 13. It came out 21, 3, and 10. The 13 came in 4th place. We all can't win, but believe me, if I would have won that money, but I would have had somebody do this pool. But in the meantime, I'll get back to you in 2. Okay, YouTube Nation, this is Mike. It's your boy One Cool Mike, back in effect. Continuing this video from yesterday, and I told you to go and bet on Mo Dongli at the Belmont Stakes. He didn't pay that much because he was a favorite, but your boy One Cool Mike, I knew. So if you ever want some betting tips, come to me. Nah, I'm just kidding. But anyway, today we're gonna put the climate control on that I got from eBay, and we're gonna fix that. And then next week we would do the AC compressor right there. The AC compressor is hard, so ain't got time for that right now. Next week is a 3-day weekend. Juneteenth, you know. Hey, a day is a day, and thank God for the day. But that's another story. But let's go and put this this right here. And I remember next week we also got to do this new liner right here. Man, look, see, I open it fully. That's the liner for the pool. But I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna set this up and get back to you in 2. Okay, One Cool Nation. Let's try to put this on that we got out to package it. And kudos to eBay, man. They make sure things get sent right and also tight. But anyway, let's take this off right here. Because look, you see when I turn it on, it's blowing the air, and you can't turn it off. You know what I'm saying? So you hear it's blowing, you can't turn it off. So let's take the top off. And with the Veloster, it comes off nice and easy. So you just be gentle with your stuff. See, and pop it off. So I got the whole plate off. And I gotta get a screwdriver. I thought I brought a screwdriver with me. But I'm gonna get that right now. And I'll be back with you in 2. Okay, Cool Nation, I'm back. Got the Phillips screwdriver. Gotta take it off. I took the wiring off. It's 3 wires. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And trying to take this off. You know, everything's a process. You could do anything that you put your mind to, Cool Nation. Don't let nobody ever stop you. You know what I'm saying? I mean, but if you got money like that to do it, go ahead. But, you know, some people don't. You know what I'm saying? So you have to learn for yourself. All right, so we got the old one out. Always put the screws in a safe location. I got the old one out. This one was glossy black, and this one is kind of matte black, but who cares as long as it works, right? So glossy and matte, but they all look the same, right? Okay, let's hope it works the same. Okay. All right. Let's put the screws in back right. Always, and if you can't remember where the screws in them go back, always take a picture of what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to be cool out there. You know what I'm saying? You know, try to be cool under pressure, man. Life can always be worse. You know what I'm saying? So, screw this in. Trying to hurry up. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the process. A lot of YouTubers, they talk so much, man. You know, I like to show you rather than talk. You know? Alright. So far it's going in copacetically. Can you spell copacetically? Leave the comment in below. You know, sometimes we use words and we can't even spell it. I mean, I can spell it, but you know, you gotta, I don't want to make no mistake. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get that AC compressor working, man. You know? I'm glad I picked up this this Phillips screwdriver that has a magnet on it, just in case things make sure it's tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Okay, I got it in the bracket. Okay. Now, let's put the wiring on and let's see if it works. There was one wire that I had here I was using temporarily. I had grounded it. See, I had grounded it until I could replace it. Let's see how good eBay is with their stuff. Okay. Oh, you heard that click? And I'm going to show you a little bit closer. I'm going to show you a little bit closer. That's how it looks. Remember, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 wires that goes in there. So I just wanted to show you how the component looks. It's not that hard unless you put your mind to it. Okay. So I just want to show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, Crew Nation. We got it in. And let's see if it works. I don't want to push it in all the way. And here we go. Let's see if it'll turn off. Yep. You hear that? I can shut it off now. There we go. Now I can shut it off completely. Before it was running, and I had to hot wire it. You know what I'm saying? You know, I used to do things like that back in the day. But One Cool Nation, I want to show you. I'm going to take the camera off the mount and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, One Cool Nation, this is how it looks. It's working fine. You see? You hear the air blowing? And I can turn it off. So One Cool Nation, until next time, this was just a short video of how to change your climate control if you have a Hyundai Veloster or any Hyundai. It shouldn't be that difficult. And if you need help, just leave a comment in below and One Cool Mike will come through. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.